Hello everyone, and let's in this section let's look at the income flows, the cash flows, and all of that. So let's try to check here. Let's see here. They're saying 6.5. That's open invoices, and then we've got open bills of 8,175. Here it's saying view. Let's see. We are sorry we can't find the page you requested. Okay, that's fine. So I think now let's go to reports. Let's look at it reports for now. So we can take a look at the profit and loss just out of interest. Let's see profit and loss. So we've made like 14,000 and cost of sales are like this, and gross profit, net earnings. Okay, and let's also look at so we can go back and let's find the statement of cash flows. Let's look at it. Statement of cash flows. Okay, statement of cash flows. We've got profit for the year. So these are the adjustment for non-cash income and expenses. These are accounts receivables, inventory, and then we've got accounts payable. Okay, that's fine. And we've got so this is the cash flow, right? So this one shows the changes in accounts receivable, changes in inventory of our stock, and then we've got the opening balance and equity, which is fantastic. So this shows that our accounts receivables grew by this, and our inventory grew by this one. This was the change. And I think we can go back again. Let's go back and let's find the balance sheet. Okay, so if we can come here, we've got accounts receivables of 6.5. like I said, our in the cash flow said that our accounts receivables grew by 6.5, and then inventory grew by 204, and then the cash, then we've got this amount, then obviously the net income from the income statement. Perfect. So net income. So under normal circumstances, this figure here must be contained in retained earnings, right? So basically our balance sheet is looking so good. And let's go back to this list and let's look at the account receivables aging summary, like those who are owing us money. How long has it been owing? Like with the current, this is owing. Okay, which is great. So here the aging summary will show us like how long the debt has been owing or has been unpaid. Right, so perfect. So let's complete the last segment of this QuickBooks Online Plus course. So in the next section, we're going to look at inventory report, right? So stay tuned and see you in the next section.